CCTV
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong kajongpi ke emission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course
Sembut Menteri Rangba kajela uba Prestone tunsong hakalai trik jeliu aja penriau ulai itu paladayo alat ka sarkar jela ban pensengo biang hakmat menteri katanat kampo ieng ka sarkar pedeng Amit Shah ya kajing dawa ban penteri kam ya ka lain permit baik kajing dawa ban pendrong ya katin kasi bat garo hakret ka bapra jongkar di sensyar kari India Amit Shah on session menta hak plenary meeting jong North Eastern Council kaban salong hanong ba shillong hak south trik jeliu aja penriau.
Yesterday's meeting that they had, in fact, all the top leaders from the Karbi side, including the CM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and as well as senior officials from the government of Assam, and from our side, delegation is led by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Snow Bahalam. And in the meeting yesterday, we have fully agreed both sides, and that also in the presence of both the headmen from Meghalaya as well as from Karbi Anglong side. And the agreement is very clear. They wanted to make sure from now on they wanted to make sure that the cultivation activities does not at all get stalled at any point of time. That is the decision they taken yesterday, and even both the authorities from the state government and as well as district council authorities has also assured that they will make sure that the livelihood activities which is being done and which is going to be done by both the villages of the two states has to be at any cost preserved, and cordial and healthy atmosphere has to be prevailed over there, not only for 1 week or not only for 1 month, but time and again henceforth. Well, I think, if you talk about the regional committees, as far as the issue of the pending differences that we have between Meghalaya and Assam, now we are waiting for because as you all know, that the constitution of the cabinet, expansion of the cabinet is being awaited, and even the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he has already expressed his willingness to again continue this the inspection of both the regional parties, but he requested us, please wait till the expansion of the ministry is completed, so that the minister's consent, which is going to be entrusted, will also be there in that regional. He is coming today. Plenary session tomorrow is about the NEC. So leave aside that program. But when you talk about the pursuing the pending issues from the government side, yes, for sure. If we have the opportunity of meeting the Honorable Home Minister, we will surely apprise and we will surely talk to him again about the pending issues of one is ILP and number two is the 8th schedule language that we have already passed in the Assembly. As of now, I am not aware about it, but I think it should be also part of the discussion, since the meeting is being organized to discuss about the development, the security of the entire northeastern states. I'm very sure maybe this subject so will be discussed. Well, it is not only the question of stopping it about this project. In fact, what we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders has to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number one is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.